Hi guys, I'm Marlene and welcome to my home and garden channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing two summer tablescapes featuring the color yellow. One's going to be a little bit more formal and the other a little bit more casual. And this is actually an open collaboration hosted by my channel, Marlene's How To's, and co-hosted by Deborah Cabasa Living, at Penny's Place, and JMom's Creations. And I'll be linking their channel in the description box below, so be sure to check them out, guys. So I'm going to go through step by step and show you what I came up with. I hope it gives you some ideas and inspires you. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So guys, I was so inspired that I decided I was going to do 3 tablescapes. And these beautiful sunflowers I'm going to be using along with these lavenders. And these flowers all came from the dollar store. Some I've had before and some I bought for this. And along with these, I'm also going to be using this burlap ribbon, also from there. And you can see the lace that goes around the center. And I thought that that was a perfect match for the doilies that I'm going to be using, because it helps to give that style that I was going for. And here we have some floral tape that I'm going to be using to wrap around this sprig of flowers that I'm going to be using on the napkin. So let's get started, guys. So here I have these beautiful placemats. They came from Old Time Pottery and I just absolutely love that yellow and white check. And here I have my brown placemats. And I think this is going to pick up really well on the brown that's in the center of the sunflowers. So I didn't use a charger for this one, so I felt that 2 placemats wouldn't have been too much. And here I have the beautiful doilies, and these actually also came from the dollar store, and they're actually in a pack of 32 where they have like 8 of the same size, for a couple different ones. And next I'm going to be using my dinner plate here, and I just love the patterns on these plates. I think it helps to give it that nice dainty look that I was going for. And of course I have the matching salad plate that I'm going to place right there. And the doily kind of stuck up a little bit at the side, but once you flatten it out then it will be fine. And here I have my silverware. These were for $10.99. I've had those for a few years. And guys, once you take care of your things, you can just use them over and over again and save yourself some money that way. Alright, so next I'm going to be using my napkins. And for these, I just folded them diagonally, and I used the burlap ribbon to make my napkin ring. And I think it really helps to give it that special dainty look that I was going for, that kind of like a farmhouse look. And here I have these spray of flowers. I just wrapped the floral tape around it to keep them together, and then just stuck them in there. And I think it picks up so well on the yellow in the placemats. And here I have my water goblet. I'm just going to be using just the 1 glass for today. And here is the reveal, guys. Aren't those sunflowers just absolutely gorgeous? As you can see, I put them in a mason jar there to give them that kind of farmhouse look that I've been, saying I've been going for. And here we have them matching really well with the flowers that are in the napkin. And this is a view from the side, guys. You can see how it looks from this angle. And I also think that, it matches really well with the table runner that I have in the middle there. And that's a loan from my sister. And it just came in so handy there. So guys, I thought it came out really nice. And if you love to decorate, guys, I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell for my future decorating topics. Of course, I do a lot of gardening as well too, so I hope you'll join me for those as well, because I think they kind of go hand in hand, decorating and using your flowers sometimes, for that same purpose. So of course, with the warm summer months, we like to have something that's refreshing, so I made myself a nice jug of lemonade from some freshly squeezed lemons, and it was absolutely so good. So here I am, guys, pouring myself a glass of this refreshing drink, and I hope that it inspires you to go and make some for yourself. Once you're finished washing this, you can put it on pause, go get some, and come right on back. So this was a nice little break for me there. So here is the next one, and this is going to be a little bit more formal. Those are my yellow dahlias right there, and I just love that color. And I have these beautiful lilies that I'm going to be using, and I think lilies are just so versatile. It just, depends on what you use it with. It can go from season to season. And I have these spray flowers that I'm going to be putting, the yellow ones along with the lavender and the lilies in a beautiful combination. And over here I have this yellow ribbon. This also came from the dollar store. It's a little bit more sheer, I think. Sheer and satin silk, those go with a little bit more formal look. So let's get started, guys. So for this one, I went ahead and I used the same brown placemat again. And then in this case, instead of using the doily, I used the charger, a silver charger, because I felt that color is a little lighter. It goes really well with the summer months. And I also, use the same plates again. And here is my napkin. And in this case, I made a bow with the ribbon and put it around there. And I think it makes it look a little bit more, dressy, more formal. And I use the same flowers again in the napkin. And I'd love to see your comments, guys, as to what you think about this one. And of course, if you like these settings that I've done, I do hope that you'll give me a nice big thumbs up. And next, I'm going to be putting in my silverware. And for this one, because it's a little bit more formal, I decided to use 2 glasses, the water goblet, and the other one for whatever kind of drink, you might be having for that. And this could be used maybe like for a wedding, for a christening, a little get together, a little soiree. You want to just step it up a little bit. And here is the reveal, guys. And look how beautiful those flowers are, how they came together. I just absolutely love that combination. I think the purple, white, and yellow are just really, really pretty. It's very refreshing. It says summer to me. And you can always switch them out for future seasons, of course, just depending on what you're wanting to do. But for right now, we're looking at summer, and that beautiful yellow ribbon on the side, I think just makes it, that extra nice feel of elegance. I think it adds to it. And if you can look in a little closer here, you'll see that, there's a little sheen that is on the ribbon. And that also helps to, give it that kind of a formal look that I was going for. So guys, tell me what you think about this one. Is this one your favorite? Here I have my crystal candle stand, and I've had these for quite a few years. These were actually a wedding gift. And I still have them, and they still work, and I think they are beautiful. So there you have it, guys. We're all ready now to go on to Tablescape number 3, because again, I just, felt so inspired by all of this that I thought I'm just going to go and use some more of what I have here and just go for another one. So guys, let's go ahead now and take a look at Tablescape number 3. So what I did was to get some of the flowers that I had for the previous arrangement, and I used them in here, to give you that feeling of maybe flowers from the meadow, for a nice wedding that may be outdoors possibly. I could see the bride in a nice, slip type wedding dress, something very breezy, very airy, maybe flowers in her hair, something like that. But it really appealed to me. I really liked it. And I thought the placemat, the checkered one on there kind of tied everything together really, really well. So I hope that this inspired you, your decorations for the summer. I hope you'll be enjoying the season, make the most of it. Enjoy your garden, enjoy your flowers, enjoy your family, make some lemonade, just enjoy this season while it lasts. And, guys, I want to thank you so much for coming back faithfully every time, my faithful subscribers. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell. I do wish you all the very best for you and your family. Take care until I see you in the next video.